yes, yes. Okay, okay. So now let's start. Okay, na. Now my screen is visible, friend. Let me know that my voice is clear. Please, please use.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So, okay. Analyze it. Analyze it. Everyone is joined, right? Everyone is joined, right? Let's wait some time. Okay, na. Everyone, because this is the really. I'm going to introduce the is good concept, right? Good concept only. Okay, because here memory, all those things I'm going to give you people. Okay, na. Ah, yeah. So now I think everyone is joined, right? Everyone is joined. Okay. So come here, come here. Here, what we are going to. This is the object, right? We are using the model and the view object. See here, what we are going to do now in this method. In this method, what we are doing now, just we are returning the model data, right? Sorry, view data. View data means we are selecting the GSP page only, right? We are selecting this GSP page only, right? We are not sending any data. We are not sending any data, right? We are not sending any data on the GSP in whenever we are calling this method. Whenever we are calling this method, we are not sending any data, right? When we are sending that data in this method, whenever we are making the post, right? Whenever we are making the post kind of things, at that time we are using that what model data also, and after then what is that? After then view name, right? View name also. So every time, see, in this situation, if we are not sending model data, so whenever we are calling that, so but internally, see, in this in model and view, this method is already there, right? This method is already there. So we can use or we cannot use, but still memory is there or not? So still memory is there or not? So somewhere the memory burden is there or not? So our application performance is reducing here or not? Come on, our application performance is reducing here now. Okay, na. So now fine. So simply, but in this case, situation, but every time we are not using, right? Every time we are not using the model and the view means model data also, right? Sometime we are using the just view name only. We need what? Just view name only, right? So in this time, in this case, what happening? Our model data memory is wasting or not? Data memory is wasting or not? So for that spring in 4.x onward, one concept implemented. Our spring people is it implemented one concept, right? One concept, and they given what? One model map object, right? Model map object, and return type, this method name, this method made, they are made. If you want to return what? If you want to return what? View name. Just if you want to return the view name, right? So for that, what you are using, that just return the view page, and return type take as a string, right? So if we here, what is that? Here we are taking the model and the view directly. We are wasting some time. What? At the time whenever we are taking just view name, view page, right? At the time model data memory, we are wasting that, right? In this method calling. So for that memory, what we are wasting the memory or not? And in the real time, whenever we are developing the application, we have need to concentrate on memory also. Our application performance also we have need, right? Our application performance also we have need. Okay, na. So fine. So let's move on. Let's move on, and we will see that, right? Let's move on, and we will see that. Fine. So okay. So but here we are utilizing both things, right? We are so to keeping these things in mind, spring people introduce one class, right? One class means one object. That object name, if you need to send the data, if you need to send the data, right, then you have to use one object, model map object, right? So after then model map object in the argument. If you don't need, just take as a string, right? A string return type. So how you will write that? A string just public, make that method as a public. If you want to read just what is that? View name. If you want to read that, what is that? Just you want to show that view name. For that, just take the return type as a string, just show so after then what is that? So just return that page, right? Just return here, return that view name you have to pass it, right? You have to pass it, what is that? Input. That's it. No need to write what is, take model and view object, because that is the heavy weight. It will reduce the performance of our application. And this concept introduced in spring 1 point, sorry, 4.x onward, right? 4.x onward this concept is introduced, right? So for that, previously how we are writing that, so for that how many part is there, right? So let's understand as a model view. So as a diagrammatically, let's understand the things as a diagrammatically. So how it is that, whenever we are creating the model and the view, right? So in this situation, what will happen, how many part having the this model and the view object memory, right? So now, okay now, so now in this case what will happen now? So this is the view area, right? View name, right? This is the view name, and this one is what, our key and value format. What is that memory? What memory is this one? This memory is what? Okay. Okay na, this is what our model data, right? This is what model data. So model data, this is a model data. So Spring said, okay, no, don't worry about that. So every time you are not using the model data, so why you are wasting the memory, right? Why you are wasting the memory? For that I'm introducing one concept, right? Model. To whenever you have need to perform what model operation, for that you have to use this object, right? You have to use this object, right? You have to use this object. Which object? Just if you want to return what view name, so for that just take the string return type. So string return type, no need to take every time what is that model and view, right? So take the string return type. What is that? Return type, right? String return type. And if you want to send the model data, right? If you want to send the model data, then for that I'm giving one object. One object, that model map object, right? Model map object for which purpose? For the data, to represent the data on the browser, right? So previously how we are writing that? So to represent the page, previously how we are writing that? So I'm going to write the code, right? So if we want to show the GSP page, right? GSP page, so how we are writing the method? Public, right? Public, what is that? Model, and what is that? Model and view, right? Model and view. Inside that, again, what we are going to do now? Inside this method, what we are doing now? Model and what is that? Model and view equal to what is that? Model and view, right? Model and view. Okay, so fine. So after then what we are doing, that based on that reference, right? Model v dot, what is that? Set view name, right? Set view name, right? View name, right? View name. Based on this method, inside that what we are going to do now? Input. We are giving the view name, input, input, right? After then we are returning this one, right? After then what we are going to do now? Return. We are returning what? Just view, right? View. So this much code we are writing that, right? To what? Showing the GSP page, right? This much code. But after 4.x onward, right? After 4.x onward, no need to write this much code. Just we will write this much code, right? So just we will write this much code. How we will write? String. What is that? Public. We have make this one public string, right? String, what is that? String. So this is the method name I'm taking here, right? After then what is that? Return. Take here return, and what you have to do now? Return input JSP logical name here, only here, right? Page name. So you have need to write this much code only, right? Previously we are writing this much long code, and in this to writing this method, no memory wastage is there. But here what is that? Here view name is not here. What is that? Object name we are not using, right? We are not sending the data, means model we are not using, so memory is wasted. But here what is that? String return type only, so there is no memory wasted, right? So there is no memory wastage. Okay na? So after then, okay, let's see that. Okay na? So if we want to send the data, whenever we are sending the data, come to our application. So for that, if we want to send that post data, how we are using that? Both method we are using, right? Both method we are using, and we are passing that argument. So for that, okay now, so same things, okay now, same code I'm going to write on that, right? And this application only, in this application I will implement, friend. Okay now, yeah, in this application only na, practice this one only, no need to practice this application, okay na, practice this one only, same application. I will just remove the I will write the just controller only and I will show that, okay na. So for that we are writing this much code, right? For the how okay, copy this one, okay na, for the copy this one, okay. For that we are writing this much code, right? So what we will do now, so think about that, this is our code, right? This is our model, using model and view, this is our code, right? Yeah, this is our code, okay na. So no, so but using spring 4.x, right? 4.x version, how we can write the same code to use post methodology? Let's see that, okay na. Let's see that. I said that which object to expose the model data, which object we have need, okay na. So come here, okay na, come here, okay na. So for that we will write like this method, okay na. Public, what is that? String, what is that? Just what is that method name? mb data we are taking, right? mb data. After then inside that what we will do now, see the magics, okay na. See the magics, okay na. See the magics, okay. So let's see that, okay na. Let's see that. So for that, what we will do now, at the rate model to read the form data, right? To read the model. What is that model? A-T-R-I-B-U-T, okay na? Attribute, okay na? Attribute is there. After then what? The same things, okay na? What is that? EMP, right? EMP, employee, employee, right? Employee, okay na. Then what we will do now, to reading that data, right? Here, because we are taking the string type return, right? Return type. So for that, what is that? Model map, because in this method we have need to send the data also to client, right? So for that, after then what is that? Map reference I'm taking, we will pass this argument inside that only, right? After then come here, okay, come here and we will see that, okay na. We will see that, okay na. So for that, okay na. So here what we will do now, return the same page. What page we have need to return it? What now? Employee page, right? Here in the this one. So what we will do now, return the employee page. Employee, what is that? Employee page, right? Employee page, employ, employee, what is that? Page, right? Page, okay na. So this is the return type, okay na. So but I have need to send the data also, model data we have need to send it, right, on this page. So for that, what is that? We will take this map reference, we will take that map reference, map inside that. What is that? One method is there, right? Add attribute, 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 right? Attribute, just we will pass this one, right? Data, we will pass this inside that data, data, data. After then what is that? Comma, and what is that? What is the reference? Object reference is, what is the here? Oh sorry, I forget, right? Employee emp, right? And we will pass this reference, and the things will become the same only, right? The things will become same only. So for that, how much code we are writing in this in this one, and memory wastage also there. Whenever we have need to use model data, at that time we are using what? Argument of model map object. So we are reducing the memory wastage or not? We are reducing the memory wastage or not? And this is the real things, okay na. A model map we are not using in the real time, but some one or two cases there. Whenever we are one or two cases there, where we can't work on that using this concept. So because of that, I made the habit to habituate for this concept to you people, okay na. Because of that I explain, okay na. But in the real time we are using this concept only, right? In the real time we are using this concept only, okay na. So the same application, let's implement the things and we will see that, right? We will see that, and after then we will wind up the session and we will learn the things, okay na, next, okay na. So now, okay, so in the same application, just I'm going to reduce the burden. I'm going to do the same things, okay na. So the same, everything is the same only. What I will do now, here I will remove this one, okay na. I'm writing to public, okay, 1 minute. So data, right? Okay, now what is that? Public string, I'm taking the return type. What is that? String, right? So so data, right? So data method name, I'm taking that. What? Just I'm returning what? Return what is that? GSP page name, right? GSP page name, okay na. So what is that JSP employee page is there na, that page we will return it, right? That page we will return it, okay na. So now I'm returning that page. You want to see that our page is, by making the request our page is coming or not. Okay, let's run the application, we will see that, okay na. Then again after then I will remove this one, okay na. So now I'm going to run this application, okay na. I'm going to run this application, okay. Let's see that, okay. Oh, it's my mistake. Okay, so let's okay na, let's copy this one and come to browser, right? Come to browser, same things, okay. No, not this one, okay na. Here come here, okay na, paste it. What is that? MVC this URL, okay na. I'm making the request and we will see that, okay na. Form is came or not, there is no changes, but behind this one too much memory wastage is there, right? So if we in the previous, just think about that, this much only we written, and based on that this one only so method we are calling, right? So method, this see the URL, based on this one what we are getting, that we are able to get the data. But still if you want to send that what is the 10, no problem, you can right, you can okay na. Okay, so mail, and but still it's working, right? So but because in this time we are using the data, right? We are using the data, we are getting the result or not. So no, I don't want, I want the new concept, right? I want to new concept in my project, okay na. So for that okay na, so for that come here, okay. So stop it, okay. Come here, okay na. Come here, I'm going to replace this one also, right? I'm going to replace this one also, right? So what I'm going to do now, okay, so let's write it public. What is that? String return type, what is that? MB data, right? MB, no, data, my data method name I'm taking, what is that? My data. Inside that what is that? Return what is that? GSP, right? Return the GSP page, okay na. Return the GSP page, okay na. Copy this one, okay, copy this one and paste it here, okay na. So we are making the post kind of request. So come here, okay na. What I said that to read the model data, what is that? Come here, okay na. Come here and we will write that at the rate, what is that? At the rate model attribute, right? Inside that what we are going to do now, employee, right? employee, employee, right? Employee. After then what is that? Employee, emp, right? After then here we have need to expose the data also. Here we have need to send the data to browser. So then in this time what we will do now, model map, then we will use this one, right? That what is that? Map, just I'm taking map reference name based on this one, okay na. So by passing, then what we will, in this time we have need to use model data, right? Model data we have need to use it, okay na. So for that what we will do now, just here, just we will call that map dot add attribute, map dot add attribute, add attribute, right? Add attribute. Inside that what is that? For the reading purpose on the GSP what we are taking, based on the, otherwise we will get the error, right? Otherwise yeah, data, right? So data, we will make this one as a data key, as a data. After then what is that? We will pass the employee reference. What is the employee reference? EMP, right? EMP, we will pass it here, EMP. After passing that, let's run this one, okay na. So let's run this application, and we will see that same output, we will get it. Okay, so now come here, okay na. So what I'm going to do now, so right, show, just I'm calling show method, okay. So see, there is no data, right? If you want, okay, copy this one, open next tab, I'm pasting here now. Okay, so after then put the data, right? 101 Amit. After then what is that? Something password I'm taking, mail. After then address, what is that? India, after this register it. See, still we are getting the result or not? Still we are getting the result or not? Password we are not taking. Okay, no problem. Which field we are not taking because of that? Okay, na? So like that. So this is what this concept is introduced inside in the Spring 4.x onward, right? This concept is there. So here memory, whenever we have need to use the data, right? At the time we will use this object. Otherwise, no need to use. So memory wastage is we are reducing the memory wasting, right? So for that, so this is the new concept, and now from here onward, whatever application we will develop in the next weekend, right? So we will use this one, right? We will use this concept only now. So for that practice purpose, but multi-part, whenever we are using the download upload the file at the time, right? At the time we will use the model and the view only, because based on this method we can't able to do those operations, right? So because of that I explained for the one concept. In the future it's a need, because of that I'm taking still till now I'm not explaining this concept. Okay now. So okay, so now I think you people got the point, right? Why I explain, and see memory wastage is not there, and how easiest way is there, we are writing that method and we are exposing that data. Okay now. So now till now anybody having any doubt, unmute yourself and ask. Okay now, ask and I will wind up the session.
Sir, you said that these methods are sometimes not used and sometimes we are using model and view. So would you please explain when we use this and when we use that?
Array man, 1 hour onward, I'm explaining the same things. Where your mind, when we are using what we are using, 1 hour onward, what I'm doing, man.
Yes, sir, I understand. Sir, just lastly, you have said that when we are using like a CURD operation, so we are using for model and we are using for that only.
Yeah,
And
this
these
one.
are like there are.
See, the both functionality is the same only, right? Both functionality is the same only, but model and view is the given Spring 1.0 onward only, right? Means initial version onward. But this whatever today and now I'm explaining this concept. This concept is came in just now, okay, na? In the 4.x onward, okay, na? So, but this is in the here. What is that here? Just we are exposing the page, right? So at that time, no need to send the model data. So, but if we are using the model and the view, the memory is wasting there or not.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, got it.
Huh? So because of that, I'm using this one. Okay, now here memory. Here, if we are not sending the data, just we are returning the string that view page only. So the memory is we are reducing the memory wastage are not here. Okay, na. So same things. Okay, na, same things. Based on this method, we are doing that. Okay, na. Please listen the things so carefully. Because of that, I'm spacing this much, and you are asking the like this doubt. Okay, sorry for that.
No, sir, because sir, at last you said like that thing, so that's why I just said.
Okay, don't worry about that. When we will discuss next level application, right? That time again I will touch these things. Okay, now then clear picture. Just I given the introduction. Okay, don't worry about that. And Amit, unmute yourself. Amit, Amit, Manju.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, now you got the point. The
Hello.
model
Yeah. Yeah.
got it right.
Yes. Yes. Yes, Ravi.
Pushpen,
Yes. Right.
Pushpen,
Yes, Ravi, it's clear.
clear right.
Yes, Ravi, yeah.
Manjulata,
Yeah.
Padma, Raj, Padma, Raj, Sai.
Yeah, clear. Ravi.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, na. So in that whenever we
Yeah,
are
we got it clearly.
yeah. Okay na, Sharon, Time, Suraj. Okay, Suraj. Okay na. So actually, whenever we are taking the model and the memory wastage is there. Every time we are taking, we are not using all things. Okay na. So for example, just we are taking right. So just I will give the one real things. Okay na. In the um, how which example I can give? Yeah. Just like we have need only one thing, okay now we have need to use expose to give the like what is that just if we need someone right something to give it right. So in that what will happen, just he asking pen, and what we are going to give pen and notebook also, we are giving to that person both, right? Pen also and a notebook also. So what is the use of it, right? Whenever he having need notebook, then we can give na, then we can give what and whenever he need pen, at the time we will give the pen only. So in the model and view, what happening? Our end user need only what pen, and we are giving the book also, right? But in this methodology, what we are doing now here, whenever the end user need pen, at the time we are giving the pen. Whenever end user need pen and book both, at the time we are giving pen and book both only, right? But whenever we are taking the model and view, we are using or not, it's our choice, right? But still in that internally our IoT container is creating full object of that model and view or not. So we are wasting that memory or not. If memory is wasting, means performance also will reduce in our application. Same like I think I'm reachable to you people based on this example. Okay, now clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So now Amit, Manjulata,
Yes, Ravi.
yeah,
Okay.
Manjulata, Padma, Pushpendra, Raj,
Yes, Ravi. Yeah,
yeah,
it's clear.
clear,
We
right?
got it.
Okay. Sharon is someone is there. Sarun, Suraj. Sarun, unmute yourself. Suraj, I think Suraj, you got the clear picture, right?
Yes, sir. So because just now you have said this example of book and pen, so I'm clear about that thing. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's friend now stop the session and we will meet on the next weekend. Okay, na? I hope today's session is really I delivered too much good way. Okay, na? I think I'm satisfied. I don't know you people.
That flow and everything, like you have given like images, so we can print it in the mind. It is like
Yes, Padma. Okay, na do hard work. That's it. I will say one word. Do hard work. Still hard work is need. Okay, na? So
okay.
okay. So let's everyone. We are now 7 means 8 o'clock means 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8 means how much 6 hours. 6 hours I now continuously I explain application to you people. Okay, now see. Okay, so let's okay guys. Bye. Good.
Okay, Ravi. Thank you. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Bye, Ravi. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye, Ravi. Take care.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Ravi, for your time and energy. What is that? Okay, guys. Bye. Good. Bye. Have a good day and a good time. Okay, na? Okay, bye.